Alright guys, no face here.
Oh yeah, you are on the AviatorGPT channel, and today I will rest, and you will play and earn real money together with a cool dude in a mask, no face.
Alright guys, hello. No face here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AviatorGPT bot, how the bot will help you, and all the other moments awaiting you in the Aviator game. Let's start with the first one. The bot is absolutely free, the bot helps me earn, and all other bot subscribers too. 24/7 support in the bot, already 150,000 users, and as I said, the bot is absolutely free, anyone can use it. Any signal is given with 90% accuracy per year. It works out great by yourself. With every new game it gets more and more accurate in giving you signals. Let's go straight to Aviator. I'll start playing and also try to demonstrate everything along the way. Let's start. Look, so I have a balance of 70,000 and I will be betting around 7% of the balance starting with 5,000. Alright, time to set it fast. A minor strategy to prevent it from sending high signals. I'll try to secure several highly confident positives. Now, I'll also walk you through the main aspects you might encounter with the win. Look, the main thing is, when setting via bolt, don't set for 5 minutes straight away. 50% from home, place bets, maximum 10 to 15% of the balance. See, the bot made a small mistake just now, but most likely he will now understand what the current trend is, and the upcoming signals will be much simpler.
Yes, making a new insert.
All set, 1.8 taken. Perfect, 1.78 taken. In theory, could have set up automatic withdrawal, but I won't, because it's easier for me to place and fix manually. Well, again, but through automation it will be more reliable, though slightly less fortunate. I would advise you to also go manual. Just waiting, no. And there it goes flying. Round, and I'll start making the next bet, don't forget, absolutely. It's free, meaning you pay nothing for it. The bot is given to you for free. The bot is in the pinned link under this video, right there, and you will be given the bot. Plus, look, you're topping up your balance for the game, meaning on your account. And with the help of a bot, you just play. As I said, everything is completely free. The bot will help you make a profit with a 90% chance, because its signals are coming. The bot will help you earn with a probability of up to 90%. He didn't write to us, says that we are betting now, waiting more until this flight ends, and on the next flight we'll place bet. So, bot apparently predicted this would happen. It's too risky to accumulate because the odds were high, as you can see. Yes, now it didn't even reach 2. Because after a high coefficient in Aviator, remember, most often there comes a negative coefficient. So, here we'll make an insert. We'll fix it at about 1.4, trying to take it without rhythm. That means, as I play now, the bot retrieves on my session. So, over time, the bot will always help you earn.
So, 1.6, as I said, is being recorded. Everything is fine. But we'll read the coefficients as relatively safe. So, stop there. We've now balanced things out, started to see a slight profit. With each minute, the bot will understand game more and more, understand how the plane goes, understand the gameplay of the Aviator. And from the next moves, we should be taking everything with more confidence. So, one, again, we skip now because there was a high coefficient. If you're having any trouble with the bot and something not working, you can always, by the way, reach out to support. Support is available 24/7, always there to help you solve any issues. Basically, no difficulties will arise. I've been working with him for so long, I've never really had any problems. Wouldn't be the case. No, we really need to aim for a ratio of 2. Going for a swing bet. And now we start betting. Our goal is to get at least 3 positives right away, and that would be great. It would be pretty good. Meaning, this moment you see the bot's functionality.
And directly, the functionality of the Aviator, if you have never tried it. As the bot said, 1.6 again, we are preparing to fix it. You see, there is nothing complicated. You need to press 2 buttons. I will take this on 1.6 again, so that I can make a profit now.
Which means we've effortlessly made a 10% balance. We're only placing 7% of the balance for several bets. That is, the bot made a mistake, as far as I remember, only in 1 bet. Let's do another one right now to break
80,000 in the balance and secure about 15% in a couple of minutes. We are waiting for the high coefficient to fly by now.
That is, you can set it so that your entry gives you a higher rate. For example, I'm now on these odds, could lift 5 easily, so to speak, both here and there at the peaks. Well, no rush showing you the features, making a bet now. This one, this mistake, waiting until the next one, he says. That is basically, while I play, he grows stronger with every turn the bird. So it learns how the lines will go in Aviator, and after that he starts giving more and more accurate progressions. That means if you initially fail at something, don't rush. With time you learn. Will help you earn just as it helps me and the other 150,000 participants. You probably already know. This bot is very famous, lots of people use it. It's the only bot that actually helps. For real, it allows you to win because most other bots are usually scams trying to swindle your money. It appears all the same. We wait. And I think by the next one, he'll say it's time to make a bet.
So after this, we'll make a bet. Then I'll make 1 or 2 more depending on how it goes, and then I'll lock in the profit. The purpose of this video is not to show how much I can earn. It will be done in the next video.
And in this video, I show you how to use a bolt, how it works in general, and explain all the basic mechanics. So I'm making an insert, waiting for the flight to begin. Yeah, and old bot says it will make another one, the next one. Immediately, seems like he got the mechanism. Most likely after a 1-to-1 pull, the next one will be in profit. Okay, let's see what pops up for us this time. See you soon. I'm basically ready to lock in profits, hoping they are about to be now.
This time I'll take 2. With a small amount? Yes. As if I said 2.3, I'm closing on 2.12. Basically, we're pulling everything into the green. Not really any problems. So you see, right? The blog writes, I repeat, I make it as simple as possible. That is, anyone can figure it out with water. There's nothing hard here. Just pay close attention to what I'm telling you. Repeat after what he wrote in chat and so on. The link to the bot will be pinned in the comments under this video. Let me repeat. The bot is completely free for everyone. It's suitable for all people. You can go there in Telegram. Right. The bot will send it to you. Then it will be tested. When the bots are sent, if you have questions, you can write to me under the video, or feel free to write, ask questions. The bot support will definitely help you out, and I'll record for you in this video. I will tell you about the main strategies in Aviator, how to cheat in Aviator, how programs are cheated, and everything else. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. There was Ulf Geist.